People who survived being kidnapped, what happened? After my parents divorced, my mom went through a few boyfriends before she met Brad. He was sweet, kind, and I genuinely liked hanging out with him. After a few months, I remember telling my mom I wouldn't mind him being my actual dad. I can't believe those words actually left my mouth. One morning, my mom's car weirdly wasn't starting, so Brad offered to give me a ride. I didn't think twice, but after a few minutes, I noticed we weren't taking the usual way to my school. Then he told me, "This will just take a second." I tried to laugh it off, but we picked up a guy I had never seen before from a gas station. I told him I was scared and wanted to go home, but then the other guy took out a weapon and pressed it into my back. We were driving in the opposite direction of my school, leaving town. I was terrified. This guy who I wholeheartedly trusted was now going to do God knows what to me. Then as we pulled up to the last light before the highway, a cop pulled up next to us. I felt the weapon dig harder into my back as the guy told me to keep quiet. We started moving, and I knew I had no other choice, so I summed up all the courage I had and jumped out of the car, badly scraping my chest. The cop saw this and immediately came to help, and later that day, Brad was arrested. What's even worse is that I wasn't the first girl he did this to.